Here's how to reset the TCP IP Network Stack. Please be aware that these commands impact all your networking adapters, both physical and virtual, whether they are in use or not. Consequently, you may encounter some error messages while executing these commands, especially if resetting adapters that are currently inactive. These errors are entirely normal and should not raise concerns. It is essential to follow each step in sequence. Even if you have previously performed some of these actions or encountered errors along the way. Step-by-step procedure. 1. Start by clicking the Start button in the taskbar and typing command prompt in the search box. 2. Right-click on the command prompt result that appears and select Run as administrator. Confirm the action. 3. At the command prompt, do not restart your machine until the final command is enter. Perform the following actions. Enter ipconfig, release and press enter. Enter ipconfig/flushdns and press enter. Enter ipconfig, renew and press enter. Please be patient as this command may take a moment to complete. 4. Next, type netsh IP reset and press enter. Do not restart your computer at this point. 5. Lastly, enter netsh winsock reset and press enter. 6. To finalize the process, restart your machine. 7. After the restart, test to see if the issue you were experiencing has been resolved. That's it. You're done. Hope this video helped. Until the next time, take care.